is, I believe, 17th. Hi, MJ. Hi, MJ. Would you like to be on mini? No, not on treats right now. I need to go eat food with everybody else. I'll call you when it's treat time. Hi, Lily. Okay, so it's Thursday. And there is Ellie in the back of the seed pile eating food. If the mating from Lily took last week, she will lay an egg tomorrow or the next day. Hi. Hi, Penny. Penny is now becoming much more social. Hello, Precious. Oh, this Penny. This Penny. It'll be time for her to go home before too long. Look at that tiny little hint of a girl she's getting. Aw. Nothing like her brothers. Hi, Thistle. Hi, Elliot. Hi, Leela. Hi, Cody. Bye, Hagrid. Hi, Sammy. Oh, here comes a pud. There goes that Dodger. Ooh. Penny and Sammy are talking. And I don't know if I got it on film or not, but Ellie is taking Sammy back as a sugar daddy. Hello, Farthing. Oh my God, you're gorgeous. Look at you. You're so handsome. Oh my goodness, Lily's buns are clean. Ooh. Wow, I think you might have more curl than your big brother. He got more pattern than you, but you got more curl than him. And better feet. Honestly, the better curl is just icing on the cake. It's the feet structure that I'm keeping him for. Hi, Puddin'. Hi, Puddin'. You're such a sweet girl. Here's a little Elliot. Here's a little Elliot. What a smoochy baby. Hey, Emilio. What you doing? What you doing? You just marching? Oh. Cody and Rigby are working on picking out a nest. I don't remember the last time I saw them treading off the top of my head. But Leela's 5 weeks old now, so they should be laying again soon. Hi, Mia. Hey, buddy. Oh, hi, MJ. Ooh. Hey, pretty baby. You want to come sit on my shoulder? Or are you okay on my elbow? That's going to hurt before too long, bud. Ooh, I know. You can come stand on my shirt? Yes. Come on. You need to scooch up, buddy. Oh, hi, Farthing. Farthing, love me. Oh, we do. Oh, we do. Okay. Now that boy is properly on my shoulder. Ow! Ow! That's my ear, child. Ow! He's very bitey. Ow! 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 Hurts every bit as much as you'd think it does. My God, you're like a very colorful Loki. Thank you. God bless the kids who like me. That might be Thistle on my back, who's made MJ quit fighting. It was Thistle. Thank you, Thistle. Hi, Gus Gus. Thank you, Thistle. That's a sweet boy. Ow. 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 No. No. You don't get to be on my shoulder if you're biting. Hi, Farthing. I think you might actually have managed to bloody my ear a little bit. Hey, Farthing. Thank you, Thistle. That's a very sweet boy. Ah. Alex is caught between Emilio and Vinny. He'll make Emilio back up because he's strong enough to. But Vinny, he's got to back up and defer to. Go to the lefty. Hey, Elliot. He's a good boy. Hi, Tandy. Hi, Betty. Tandy, I don't have treats right now. Hi, though. Birds just feeling themselves today. Hey, Farthing. Hey, buddy. You want to be up on my shoulder? Good boy. Andy. You can fuss with my ear a little, but you can't bite it hard enough to hurt, Farthing, or you don't get to stay up there. Oh, Lord have Betty. Elliot is having words with her mom. Hi, Cookie. Hey, MJ. Hi, Vinny. Hey, sweet Tandy. Hey, Cookie. Hey, Lily. How's that good boy? How's that good boy? Good luck with that. My hair is too short for y'all to really grip it, kids. Layla is bathing her bath. Hey, you butt. Like that soap. She has little wheels in your head turning. I see the wheels in your pretty little head turning. You're going to foul with Sandy. Hey, Mia. Thistle. That thistle's very sweet. A preeny thistle. It's like Tandy wins for now. Hey, Benny. Oh, my Lord Penny. Wonder if they're close to picking one out yet. Hi, Mia. Hi, MJ. Hi, Indica. Here. There, Penny. Penny made it up onto my lap. Immediately gonna start fights with Lily. Fantastic. so you can grip it, okay? Puddin'. Puddin' must you and Thistle. Hey, Indica. Hey, there, is that better? Hey, Rigby. Hey, BJ. Hi, MJ. MJ, bees on my head. Tandy. Andy and Vinny are getting into it. There are so many birds on me. So many birds. Hi, Penny. Welcome to the pile. Hi, Indica. Hi, Indica. Hi, Tandy. There's an MJ on my head fighting with a farthing on one shoulder, arguing with a puddin' on the other. Puddin' has fled. Hi, Penny. Hello, Penny. Hi, Indica. Oh, Lord, there are so many birds. It's hard to focus on any specific bird. Yes, I love you too, Penny. Oh, Penny is very kissy. That's my face. Tandy, that was a little uncalled for. Indica started crap with you. You can finish crap with her. Yes, hello, Penny. Nope. Don't see that going anywhere. I'm sorry, Tandy. Now I have a shoulder Tandy. Hi, Indica. Cody, what are you doing? You trying to mod that box? You trying to mod that box? You got some silly eyebrow feathers going. Another peep fight has broken out on my shoulder. Hi, Elliot. Don't you pick that stop button. Hi there, Leela. Hi there, Leela. Cute gaping one. Oh. Oh my good Lord, birds. Hi, Penny. Oh, hello, Penny. Immediately starting a fight with Elliot. Because only Penny can have lap. Bless. You silly thing. Okay, so we have passed the 20-minute mark, and I'm kind of overwhelmed by both birds and camera. So we're going to go ahead and sign off here. In addition to our clients' adopters and apprentices in both small-scale companion breeding and small-scale rescue work. I would like to thank our patrons here on Patreon, our subscribers on YouTube, sorry, reversed those by mistake, the friends of our business page on Facebook, and our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for their contributions, both financial and intellectual. Let's see how in the crap I'm supposed to get all these birds off me. Somebody help.